Let's go to one of the beautiful valleys in Switzerland. Welcome to the Alpine Feet channel, and today we are going to show you a valley of Lauterbrunnen. Lauterbrunnen is also known as a valley of waterfalls as there are 72 waterfalls within the valley. Let's check some of the main waterfalls in the valley. At the end of the valley, close to Stechelberg gondola station, there are Mürrenbach Falls. They are 417 meter high and 5 cascades, making it Switzerland's highest waterfall. In the middle of the valley, there are Trummelbach Falls. Trümmelbach Falls is a series of 10 glacier-fed waterfalls inside the mountain. They are accessible by a tunnel-funicular which was built in 1913. The Trummelbach Falls are the world's only glacier waterfalls that are sat inside the mountains. The Swiss engineers have built staircases and walkways, elevators and viewing platforms to give you this view of a most unusual waterfall. Staubbach Waterfalls are most popular. You may have seen it Instagram photos or on Swiss postcards. It is possible to go up a steep trail to the Staubbach Gallery, which is only open from May to October. The walk between the waterfalls is fantastic and highly recommended. You can take a bus from the train station to Mürrenbach Falls and walk back towards the Staubbach Waterfalls, making a stop in between at Trummelbach Falls. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.